First time firing up the Ooni Karu 12. So I'm using some charcoal, lump charcoal of course. See, it's getting a nice bit of flame going there. So I've got the firebox to the rear. There's some kind of venting space there. There's a cover to put over the firebox once it gets up to temperature. And then of course we have a chimney. And the little knob on the chimney is to allow for venting. So it's a bit like with a barbecue where you're controlling the airflow. So this is kind of cool. Now that's only just lighting now, so it's probably going to take us 10 or 20 minutes to get up to a temperature that's anyway useful. And as this is the first time I'm lighting it, I need to also let it heat up a bit and burn off any excess oils or other nasty stuff that might be in there.